Hi everyone, I'm Razvan from MammothInteractive.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to compare integers in Android Studio. Just so you know, there's a 10 hours free course in the description which will teach you more about coding. But for now we're just going to go in the project view of Android Studio, which I assume you already have installed in the main activity. And we're going to go and declare a couple of integers. So int number 1, number 2, and we're going to set them up with some values. Let's say 9 and the other one with, well, let's say minus 18. Okay, and then we have to make an if statement and compare them and see if they're equal, and if they're not, they're gonna show up um, in the else branch basically. And we have to use a message that's gonna be displayed on the screen. And let's say, for example, right now we're gonna initialize it with the empty string in case it's not gonna run this if else statement. So we just want to make sure our strings are initialized at the beginning if we're gonna use them. And right now we're gonna compare the first number with the second number. Let's compare them for equality. So we're gonna have number 1 equals number 2. As you see over here, the equal sign is just, if you just use one equal sign, then it's gonna assign this value to a variable. If you use the double equal sign, then it's gonna compare these two numbers and check them if they're equal. So let's say what message to display on the screen. Let's just improvise and let's say numbers are equal. Okay, and otherwise numbers won't be equal, so we're just going to copy paste this thing over here. Numbers are not equal. Okay, and just so you know, the next thing we have to do is yeah, okay, so I have an error over here. We have to basically close all our statements with a semicolon, and we have to create a toast message on the screen, and you're just gonna type toast, and Android Studio is gonna autocomplete the code over there. I just want to display my message over here. I'm not gonna put it in these double quotations because it's just gonna display exactly message on the screen. But if I just delete the quotes, then it's gonna display the content in this variable message. And we're just expecting to see right now this string on the screen. Numbers are not equal. So let's run the emulator and see what happens. I'm just gonna go and zoom in here, and we're gonna see numbers are not equal, exactly what we expected, and we're gonna set them to the same value, minus 18, and we're gonna run the emulator again, and we're gonna see numbers are equal. So basically that's all you have to know about comparing numbers in Android Studio. You can go on mammothinteractive.com to see our projects, and if you haven't checked it already, go and watch that 10 hours free course about coding. And thank you very much for watching.